Hello everyone. This is your daily viral of internet.
Here's an extreme close-up of a microscopic worm that can be found in many ponds and lakes. This person walked into a store and simply walked out without paying, and the cashier couldn't believe it. You can see the exact moment when this cat realizes that it got stuck. Someone bought an old abandoned lighthouse and turned it into a hotel. The hotel is located 34 miles off the coast of the United States and is only accessible from a boat or helicopter. After a few months of cleaning up and upgrading, the lighthouse was ready to open.
Now it's the equivalent of a one-star hotel.
The eye of this whale got really close to get a better look at this scuba diver. A great white shark started biting at this cage with scuba divers inside. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Later.